Pyramid sentences for fluency. Short vowels. Have you ever seen a pyramid before? Egypt and other countries have pyramids. Maybe you've seen that as a shape that you've learned. A pyramid can also be a way to help us practice our fluency. Fluency is the ability to read smoothly, accurately, and with appropriate speed and expression. Basically, it's being able to read like you talk, nice and smooth. Take a look at this sentence. I can pet the dog. Now, when I read that, I didn't sound very smooth. I sounded a little bit like a robot. So one way to help me work on my fluency is to do pyramid reading. Watch this. I can pet. I can pet the. I can pet the dog. Did you notice how by the end my sentence was so fluent, and each line that helped make a pyramid added one word each time? Let's read some pyramid sentences together. The cat. The cat sat. The cat sat on. The cat sat on me. Great reading. Let's do another one. Tim hit. Tim hit the. Tim hit the big. Tim hit the big drum. Matt had a. Matt had a bad. Matt had a bad day. Let's do one more together and then you can do some on your own. A bug. A bug is. A bug is on. A bug is on me. Wow, wonderful reading. Now let's have you do it, and I'll just read the sentence at the end to make sure that you said it all correctly. Ready? I can hop and run. The man has a map. My pig is in mud. We dig in the sand. She went in the bed. That kid got a hug. He has a full cup. Nice work! Keep working on reading nice and smooth like you talk. And check out links below for more practice with fluency.